Have you ever looked at the stars, at a tree, or even at your own hand, and felt there's a deeper connection between everything? What if I told you the force that holds galaxies together is the same one that makes a seed sprout? This is the mind-bending idea proposed by Dr. Irfan Boko in his theory of atomic life. For centuries, we've been told gravity is the master architect of the cosmos, pulling planets and stars into their cosmic dance. But what if gravity isn't a force at all? What if it's something far more profound? Something that originates inside the tiniest particles of existence, the atoms. Dr. Boko's work presents a radical new vision. He calls it the unity law. This law suggests that every atom in the universe has an inherent drive, a kind of intelligence that makes it want to connect, to organize, and to form more complex structures. Think about it. Atoms bond to form molecules. Molecules assemble into cells. Cells create organisms. Is this just random chance? Or is it a fundamental rule of the universe? According to this theory, the attraction we see everywhere, from chemistry to cosmology, isn't gravity. It's what Dr. Boko calls energetic attraction. It's the universe's built-in tendency to seek togetherness. It's a cosmos that behaves less like a giant, cold machine and more like a vast, living being. This changes everything. Suddenly, the formation of a star, the spiral of a galaxy, the branching of a tree, and the regeneration of our own bodies are not separate phenomena. They are all expressions of the same universal principle, playing out on different scales. The universe is self-organizing, self-healing, and constantly creating. Life isn't a fluke that happened only on Earth. It's a continuum of organization woven into the very fabric of reality. In this living universe, what we call death is simply a transition. It's a disassembly of one form, allowing those same atoms to reassemble and create something new. Regeneration isn't a biological miracle. It's a universal behavior. The cosmos is constantly renewing itself, driven by the collective intelligence of its atomic parts. This theory bridges the gap between physics, biology, and even metaphysics. It suggests that the universe isn't just a collection of dead matter governed by cold, mechanical laws. Instead, it's a dynamic, interconnected, and fundamentally living system. We are not just observers of this cosmos. We are active participants in its continuous act of creation. The idea that the universe is alive might sound like science fiction, but the patterns are everywhere you look. The self-similar structures in nature called fractals, from coastlines to lightning bolts to the neurons in our brain, all point to a simple rule repeating itself over and over. The unity law proposes that this simple rule is the innate desire of atoms to unite. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, don't just see distant points of light held by an invisible force. See a cosmic organism, a network of atomic life, striving for connection. See yourself as part of that grand, living structure. This is the paradigm shift offered by atomic life, a blueprint for understanding a universe that is not just existing, but truly alive. What do you think? Could this be the hidden mechanism that connects everything? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this journey into the cosmos, don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-expanding ideas. See you next time.